Samsung has long offered lock screen widgets, but they've been limited to its own apps. This is because they are not a built-in Android feature, but rather a part of Samsung's One UI. However, that could change soon with One UI 8.0, as Google is working on adding lock screen widget support in Android 16. If this happens, Galaxy users may soon have the option to add widgets from third-party apps directly to their lock screens. Google recently announced that Android 16 QPR1 will introduce lock screen widgets for Pixel phones. More importantly, this feature will be integrated into the Android open source project AOSP by mid-2025. Since it will become a standard Android feature, Samsung is expected to adopt it into One UI 8.0, allowing Galaxy users to experience a more customizable lock screen. At present, Samsung provides widgets for features like the clock, weather calendar, and digital well-being. But with third-party widget support, users will have many more options. Imagine being able to add a Google Home widget to control smart devices without unlocking the phone or placing a music player widget for quick playback controls. Other possibilities include widgets for fitness apps, task managers, and even messaging previews, making the lock screen much more functional. Although Google has explored lock screen widgets before, this will be the first time they are included as a core Android feature. The Pixel tablet already supports lock screen widgets, but that was a Google-specific customization. Now that they are set to become a native Android function, Samsung will likely bring them to its devices through One UI 8.0. Another key development is that Android 16 might launch earlier than usual. Google typically releases new Android versions around August or September, but this time it could arrive up to 3 months ahead of schedule. If this happens, Samsung may also speed up the rollout of One UI 8.0, allowing users to experience the update sooner than expected. A reliable industry source suggests that Samsung wants to avoid the delays that occurred with One UI 7.0, which was released later than planned. To keep things on track, Samsung might skip One UI 7.1 and One UI 7.11, jumping directly to One UI 8.0 when Android 16 is ready. Reports also indicate that Samsung has already begun testing an early build of One UI 8.0 on the upcoming Galaxy S25 series, suggesting that development is well underway. If these reports are accurate, Galaxy users might not have to wait long for the new update. This would be great news, as it means they could try out Android 16's features, including third-party lock screen widgets, much sooner. The ability to add widgets from any app could significantly enhance convenience, giving users quick access to essential information without unlocking their devices. Samsung has a track record of improving stock Android features with its own customizations. If One UI 8.0 introduces third-party lock screen widgets, Samsung could offer additional options for customization. Users might see different layout styles, new animations, or exclusive Samsung widgets designed to enhance the experience further. As One UI continues to evolve, Samsung remains focused on making its software more customizable and user-friendly. If third-party lock screen widgets become a part of One UI 8.0, they could be one of the most useful features, giving Galaxy users more control over their devices. Would you find this feature useful? Share your thoughts in the comments, and if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more updates. In the ever-evolving world of technology, it's fascinating to observe how industry giants often draw inspiration from one another. While Apple has long been seen as a trendsetter, recent developments suggest that the company might be taking cues from its biggest rival, Google. The iPhone 16e and the upcoming iPhone 17 Pro are prime examples of how Apple is adapting its strategies, potentially in response to Google's growing influence in the smartphone market. Let's explore what these devices reveal about the dynamic between these two tech titans. For years, Samsung positioned itself as Apple's primary competitor, but it seems Apple's focus has shifted. The iPhone 16e and iPhone 17 Pro suggest that Apple now views Google as its most significant rival. Both companies have a history of taking jabs at each other in their marketing campaigns, but this time it appears Google's innovations are shaping Apple's decisions. The iPhone 16e, in particular, marks a departure from Apple's previous approach to affordable models. Unlike the iPhone SE, which was a distinct budget-friendly option, the iPhone 16e is integrated into the main iPhone 16 lineup. It shares the same design language and core specifications as the flagship models, albeit with some toned-down features. This strategy mirrors Google's approach with its Pixel A series, such as the Pixel 8o, which offers a premium experience at a more accessible price point. By aligning the iPhone 16e with its premium counterparts, Apple is likely aimed to avoid the budget phone stigma, which may have hindered the success of earlier SE models. The iPhone 17 Pro, on the other hand, hints at Apple's willingness to adopt design elements popularized by Google. Leaked renders suggest that the iPhone 17 Pro will feature a horizontal bar on the back, a design trait closely associated with Google's Pixel phones. While smartphone designs have become increasingly homogenized due to technological constraints, the inclusion of this bar seems like a deliberate nod to Google's aesthetic. The triangular camera arrangement on the iPhone 17 Pro adds a unique touch, but the horizontal bar appears to serve no functional purpose, leading many to speculate that Apple is attempting to appeal to customers who might have been drawn to Google's design philosophy. This move underscores the growing influence of Google's Pixel lineup, even if it hasn't yet achieved the same sales figures as Apple's iPhones. Beyond design, Apple is also making significant strides in artificial intelligence, an area where Google has long been a pioneer. Google introduced AI-powered features to smartphones years ago, while Apple has been slower to embrace this technology. However, with the introduction of Apple Intelligence, the company is making a concerted effort to catch up. The rollout has been somewhat uneven, but Apple's commitment to AI is evident. Rumors suggest that the iPhone 17 Pro will come equipped with additional RAM to support these advanced features, a notable shift for a company that has historically been conservative with memory allocation. By prioritizing AI and increasing hardware capabilities, Apple is signaling its determination to compete with Google in this critical domain. So what does all of this mean for the future of the smartphone market? While Apple remains a dominant force, Google's influence is undeniably growing. Pixel shipments are steadily increasing, and Apple's apparent response to Google's strategies suggests that the competition is heating up. Whether it's through design choices, AI integration, or pricing strategies, Apple seems to be acknowledging Google as a formidable rival. This rivalry is ultimately beneficial for consumers as it drives innovation and pushes both companies to deliver better products. If you found this analysis insightful, be sure to like and subscribe for more tech updates. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for the latest developments in the world of technology. What if your next smartphone could completely transform how you experience the internet? Faster downloads, smoother streaming, and lag-free gaming, all thanks to groundbreaking 5G technology. That's exactly what Samsung's upcoming Galaxy S26 series might bring to the table. While the Galaxy S25 is still making waves, the rumors about its successor are already heating up, and today, we're diving into what could make the Galaxy S26 a game changer. Let's break it down. The Galaxy S26 is expected to pack some serious power under the hood, and a lot of the hype revolves around its processor and modem. Word on the street is that Samsung might team up with Qualcomm again, using their next-gen chip, likely called the Snapdragon 8 Elite 2. This processor is rumored to come with the Qualcomm X85 modem, a piece of tech that could take 5G speeds to a whole new level. Compared to the X80 modem in the Galaxy S25, the X85 is said to deliver download speeds of up to 12.5 Gbps and upload speeds of 3.7 Gbps. That's a 25% jump in download speeds and a 5.8% boost in upload speeds. Think about what that means for you: faster downloads, smoother streaming, and gaming without interruptions. It's not just an upgrade, it's a leap forward. The X85 modem isn't just about speed. It's also about intelligence. Qualcomm's new modem comes with an AI-powered data traffic engine, a feature designed to make your online experiences smarter and more efficient. This AI engine can prioritize data traffic dynamically, which means it can give your gaming sessions top priority even on a crowded network. No more lag spikes in the middle of an intense